Hello everyone. Today we are going to do some important questions of previous year for class 10th. So our first important question, this question came in CBSE 2024 and it is, if sine alpha is equal to under root 3 by 2 and cos beta is equal to under root 3 by 2, then find tan alpha into tan beta. So first we will find out कि साइन के एंगल्स में किसकी वैल्यू अंडर रूट 3 बाय 2 आती है, बिकॉज वी हैव बीन गिवन द वैल्यू ऑफ साइन अल्फा. सो लेट्स सी, वी विल सी दैट साइन अल्फा में अंडर रूट 3 बाय 2 वैल्यू जो है साइन 60 की होती है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू रिप्लेस दिस अंडर रूट 3 बाय 2 बाय साइन 60 because it is the value of sine 60. Now, this sine alpha is equal to sine 60. This implies that alpha is equal to 60. Theta हमारे पास 60 आ गया. Now, in the same way, cos beta is given. Cos beta is given as under root 3 by 2. In the same way, we will check कि cos में कौन से एंगल की वैल्यू अंडर रूट 3 by 2 आती है. And when we will look into it, we will find कि cos 30 की वैल्यू अंडर रूट 3 by 2 है. So we will be writing in the same way as cos beta is equal to cos 30. And from this equation, we will get the value of beta as 30. So we have got alpha is equal to 60 and beta is equal to 30. Now the question is that we have to find the value of tan alpha into tan beta. So we are going to find that tan alpha into tan beta is equal to, we will be putting the values of alpha and beta over here. So alpha is 60. So we have to find out tan 60 into tan beta. Tan beta means tan 30. Now you have to see the value of tan 60. We know its value is under root 3 multiplied by the value of tan 30 is 1 upon under root 3. And we can cancel these under roots because 1 under root 3 is in the numerator and the other under root 3 is in the denominator. So we can cancel it out and we will get the answer as 1. So the value of tan alpha into tan beta is 1. Now the next question I am taking again from the CBSE 2024. It is evaluate 5 tan 60 upon sine square 60 plus cos square 60 into tan 30. So we have to just put the values over here. We have to write 5 into tan 60. You have to see the value of tan 60, which is under root 3 upon sine square 60 plus cos square 60. There is no need to find the value of value of sine square 60. Why? Because हमें ये पता है कि sin square theta plus cos square theta, अगर थीटा सेम है तो sin square theta plus cos square theta की वैल्यू क्या होती है, 1 होती है. तो यहाँ पे हमें वैल्यू निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है. We will just be putting directly as 1. sin square 60 plus cos square 60 is 1 क्योंकि यहाँ पे थीटा सेम है 60 दोनों में. मल्टीप्लाई बाय tan 30 और tan 30 की वैल्यू हमारे पास क्या है, 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट 3. So we will be solving it. We will be getting it as 5 into अंडर रूट 3 एंड नीचे हम जब यहाँ पे डेनोमिनेटर में सॉल्व करेंगे तो वी विल बी गेटिंग एज 1 into 1 दैट इज 1 और ये जो अंडर रूट 3 है दिस विल बी गोइंग इन द न्यूमरेटर एंड मल्टीप्लाइंग विद अदर टर्म्स. So you will be getting answer as when under root 3 or under root 3 multiply होता है then we get the square roots cancel it out and we get the answer as 3. So 5 into 3 is 15 and denominator में 1 है so there is no need to write in the denominator. Now our next question is from CBSE 2023. The question is, if 2 tan A is equal to 3, then find the value of 4 sin A plus 5 cos A upon 6 sin A plus 2 cos A. So we have been given the value of 2 tan A equal to 3. How can we write it as? This is 2 tan A is equal to 3. This implies tan A is equal to 3 upon 2. We will be taking this 2 from here to the right hand side. From the left hand side to the right hand side we will be taking it. Now we know that the tan of any angle can be represented as perpendicular upon base. So we can say that T here 3 is perpendicular and 2 is base, because tan can be represented as perpendicular upon base. Now finding the value of hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is equal to under root p square plus p square. What you will get is equal to under root p is 3 square plus b is 2 square. Now next step will be 3 square means 9 plus 2 square means 4 and 9 plus 4 is 13. So we have find out the value of h, that means hypotenuse. Now we have to find the value of sine A, because in this question it is written that we have to find the value of 4 sine A plus 5 cos A upon 6 sine A plus 2 cos A. That means हमें sin A की वैल्यू भी निकालनी पड़ेगी और cos A की वैल्यू भी निकालनी पड़ेगी. तो हमें पता है कि sin A is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So we will be putting the values of perpendicular and hypotenuse, which we already have find out. So perpendicular is here 3. We can see from here perpendicular is 3 and hypotenuse we have found out under root 13. So the value of sine A is 3 upon under root 13. In the same way we will find the value of cos A. Now the formula for cos A is base upon hypotenuse. From here we can see base is given as 2 and hypotenuse is given as under root 13. So what will be the value? Let's copy down the question and putting the values over it. The question is 4 sine A plus 5 cos A upon 6 sine A plus 2 cos A. Now put the values of all these. 4 multiplied by sine A, the value of sine A is 3 upon under root 13 plus 5 multiplied by cos A, and the value of cos A is 2 upon under root 13. Denominator में क्या आएगा? What will become in the denominator? 6 sin A, मतलब 6 multiplied by sin A value is 3 upon under root 13 plus 2 cos A. 2 multiplied by cos means 2 upon under root 13. Now we will be solving these steps. Now see, here can we cancel? No, because यहाँ पे 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 न्यूमरेटर में है एंड डिनोमिनेटर में अंडर रूट 13 है. हम ये ऊपर न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर कैंसिल नहीं कर सकते. सो व्हाट वी विल बी डूइंग, वी हैव टू जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई. सो वी विल बी गेटिंग एज 4 3 जा 12 upon under root 13 plus 5 2 जा 10 upon under root 13. अगर यहाँ हम सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते तो वी वुड हैव सिंप्लीफाइड इट, बट क्योंकि सिंप्लीफाई नहीं हो सकता है सो वी आर जस्ट मल्टीप्लाइंग न्यूमरेटर बाय न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय डिनोमिनेटर. नो, डिनोमिनेटर में ओनली अंडर रूट 13 है, सो इट्स कमिंग एज इट इज. नाउ हियर 6 3 जा 18 upon under root 13 plus 2 to the 4 upon under root 13. Next step will be because denominators are same, so we will just be simply adding the numerators. We will be taking the LCM, and because denominators are same, so LCM will be under root 13 only. So we will get 12 plus 10 upon under root 13 upon 18 plus 4 upon under root 13. Now this under root 13 will be cancelled out, and we will be getting in the numerator as 12 plus 10, that is 22, upon 18 plus 4, again 22. Now this 22 ones are 22, and we will be getting its answer as 1. So the value of 4 sin A plus 5 cos A upon 6 sin A plus 2 cos A has come out to be 1. Now next question is again of CBSE 2023. Question is, if sin theta plus cos theta is equal to under root 3, then find the value of sin theta into cos theta. So we will be starting from the value which is already given. Here it is given that sin theta plus cos theta is equal to under root 3. Now we will be squaring both sides. Squaring. Students, you should also write with me so that you can practice it. Squaring both sides, we get sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to under root 3 whole square. Next step, we will be applying the formula of a plus b whole square, and the formula of a plus b whole square is a square. A square means sin square theta plus b square, and b is cos square theta, plus 2ab. 2ab means 2 into sin theta cos theta is equal to under root 3 ka square root and square cancels out, and it comes out to be as 3. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta की value 1 है. We have already studied this identity earlier. So we will be putting 1 in place of this. 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 3. So it will give us 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to, this 1 will go to the right side and will be subtracted from 3. You will be getting as 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. But we have to find the value of sin theta into cos theta only. So we have to remove this 2 which is multiplied by sin theta cos theta on the left side. So how we can remove it? Here it is multiplied with 2 is multiplied with sin theta and cos theta, तो ये दूसरी तरफ right side में जाके divide हो जाएगा. So we will be getting as sin theta cos theta is equal to 2 divided by 2, and this will be cancelled out, and we will get the answer of sin theta cos theta is equal to 1. Next question from CBSE 2022. It came in the year of 2022 in CBSE. Find the value of theta for which 2 sin 2 theta is equal to 1. So starting from the value which is already given, we have been given 2 sin 2 theta is equal to 1. This implies sin 2 theta is equal to 1 upon 2, because this 2 will go to the right hand side and will be divided here. So now we have to see कि साइन के कौन से एंगल की वैल्यू 1/2 आती है. When we will look into it, we will find कि साइन 30 की वैल्यू जो है 1/2 आती है, तो इसलिए हम 1/2 को रिप्लेस कर देंगे साइन 30 से। सो वी विल बी पुटिंग एज साइन 2 थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1/2 को मैंने रिप्लेस किया साइन 30 से। सो क्योंकि साइन 30 की वैल्यू 1/2 थी। नाउ इस इक्वेशन से हमें ये पता चलता है कि 2 थीटा की जो वैल्यू है वो है 30। Now, but we have to find out the value of theta. So, we will be taking this 2 which is multiplied on the left hand side. When we will take it to the right hand side, it will be divided. So, it will go in the denominator. So, here we will get 30 by 2, and when we will divide it, we will get theta is equal to 15. Hope students you have learned a lot from this video, and if you want me to make such videos in future also, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.